very good. I have peppers in here, nachos. I have cheese on the bottom, and I have cheese on top. Very good. Well, I know it's a little awkward, but this is the best that I can do. But I'm enjoying this so far. You can see the tomatoes and onion and the chicken, lettuce. I have salsa, guacamole. This is really loaded. Very good. So, let me tell you where we are. We're in the hospital. I'm not in the hospital, but Grandpa Karma is in the hospital, and he was brought in on Saturday night. He fell, had a bad fall, and he broke his humerus. That's the upper part of the shoulder, and today is actually Thursday. This happened on Saturday night, early Saturday morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. So good. He had to have an operation. Because it was actually really broken. So he had to have it operated on. And he's really doing quite well. So today is Thursday. And I'm going to put some clips in so you can see Grandpa, because he wanted to say hello to you guys. So I'll add some clips in so you can see him. So I have been away from home since Saturday. And I expect that he's going to be released today, but he's not going to be released to home. We are going to what they call a swing bed, and it's a rehabilitation place so that we can get him stronger, so that we can avoid any falls or anything happening like that again. So that's where we're going when we leave here. I am actually going to ride with him in the ambulance to the swing bed. It's attached to a hospital not far from my home, so I'll be able to go back and forth to visit him. I have actually been here ever since Saturday. I've been sleeping here with Grandpa. I have not left. So, see the guacamole in there, and oh my goodness, got lots of goodies. I have a little cranberry juice in here, guys. Just a little cranberry juice. So this is really good. Like I said, it is loaded, as you can tell. Oops. I love nachos. You know, I love Mexican food. And I got this in the hospital, downstairs in the cafeteria. And it's really very good. Although it's the first time since I've been here in the 5 days that I actually ate in the cafeteria. But their food looked really delicious. So what I've been doing basically is when they take Grandpa's order, I place an order for myself, and they bring me a tray too. And whatever it is that they're having is only $5 for a tray here in the hospital. So they take good care. This has been an amazing hospital. The people here have been very, very kind. We're in a hospital in Meridian, Mississippi. This is really a lot of food. My goodness. It's actually enough for 2 or 3 meals, as you can see. So, I am actually sitting in an outer room from Grandpa's room. He had great accommodations. This is like a suite. I mean, this room that I'm in, it's big enough, it'll hold a ton of people. And it's just like a little outer room from his room where he's at. Grandpa is doing so much better. we feel that, you know, he was getting weak. That was one of the reasons that he fell. And, you know, more complications from the cancer. So we have decided to look at other options. But still remaining holistic and incorporating any and everything that we possibly can do. I want to thank you guys so much for everyone who is always asking about him and concerned about him. All the prayers. My family has been amazing. I could not have been able to do this here without them. Everyone has pulled together and been so supportive, and I really appreciate that. So, I'm not sure how long he's going to be in the rehabilitation. He just wants to make sure that, you know, he's strong enough to go home. Especially now that he's only operating with one arm. He broke his right arm, or, you know, shoulders, actually the humerus up at the top part there. So, you know, I will bring you videos from there, I'm sure. I was able to stay overnight with him here, but I don't believe they allow that in a rehabilitation center. But I will be spending as much time there as possible. You know, when you're in a hospital or something like that, it's always good if you can have someone with you to help keep track of your medications, to be able to ask the doctor questions and things like that. So, that's always a good thing when you can have an advocate. Basically, you just have an advocate, you know? But this is Rush Hospital. And let me tell you, it's the same hospital that I was in March. This is the first time Grandpa has ever been in a hospital. Ever. But the nurses and the doctors and the CNA and the dietitians and just everyone here have been extraordinary. You know, they know you're going through things, you know? And they go out of their way to make it a little bit easier on you. It's not bad for hospital food, is it, guys? Not at all. Look at all of this, my goodness. Look at all that. Not bad at all for hospital food. So guys, I just wanted to come on and kind of give you, you know, let you know what was going on. So I thought, well, I'll talk to my Karma babies while I'm having lunch. I'll have lunch today from the cafeteria, and I'll talk to you then. So I will keep you all informed of what's going on. I want to thank you for continued prayers. And I'm going to stop the video right now because I'm actually full, as I should be, right? Very good. Has everything you need. Chicken, beef. Chicken and beef. So guys, I'm going to stop now because, as you know, Grandma can keep going on and on and on. And it was so great to be visiting with you guys again. This was a wonderful, wonderful meal. And guys, I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. I love you. Thank you for all your prayers. Love you. Bye-bye now.